Hello class, today we will start the chapter 1 accountancy part 3. In this video we will learn the objectives of accounting. First objective is to keep the record of the business transaction systematically. Basically systematic record means the recording of transaction in a chronological order. It means whenever the transaction occur on that date in a particular sequence we need to record the transactions in the books, and then the transactions will be posted to the ledger. Then we have ascertain the profit and loss. Every business want to know their results of profit and loss, and for that they need to prepare the accounts, and with the help of those accounts they can know that at the end of the financial year they have got the profit and they have got any kind of loss. Next we have to know to determine the financial position. Now the financial position we can determine with the help of balance sheet, and this is this process, this is comes under the summarization. With the balance sheet we can know that what is the value of our assets and what are the values of our liabilities, so that we can say that we are in a safe position or in a risk. Our capital, if our liabilities are less than the assets, then it is determined that business is in a good position. Then we have that to provide the information to various users. There are so many users which we have already know that investors, creditors, bank, government, employees are the users of the information. So we need to provide this information to the stakeholder of the company. Stakeholder means the person who are interested to know the condition of the organization. Last is to assess the management. It helps to assess the management by providing interpretation in the form of reports. Accounting assists management in handling business operations effectively. It prevents the frauds. It's assists to know the progress of the business year by year and the exact reasons of net profit or net loss. Next we have the branches of accounting. So the basic branches are financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. Financial accounting, the main purpose of this is to find out the profit and losses and record the transactions, summarizing, communicating the financial data as we are doing. Next we have the cost accounting. This is the branch of accounting which basically concerned with the product to ascertain the per unit cost of the goods and services produced in the business. This helps to reduce the costs and eliminate the excess costed unnecessary costs, and with this we can have the strict control over the cost of production. Next we have management accounting. The main purpose of management accounting is to present the accounting information in such a way so that it will be assist the management for planning and controlling the operations of business. So in this basically the techniques ratio analysis, budgetary control, fund flow, cash flow statements are used, and this is useful for managerial decision making. Apart from this, tax accounting and social responsibility accounting are the two more parts. Tax accounting and social responsibility accounting. Tax accounting is used for the tax purpose, and income tax and GST are computed on the basis of this accounting. Social responsibility accounting is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating the contribution of business to the society, because business need various things from the society, infrastructure, and without those facilities and infrastructure business can't run. So there are business also have the responsibility to contribute towards the society, and social responsibility accounting determines that how business is fulfilling his responsibility towards society. Next we have accounting process. Accounting process includes 5 actions: transactions, journal, ledger, trial balance, and trading and profit and loss and balance sheet. So first we will discuss about the transactions. In our business, we basically used to do so many activities like purchasing, selling, paying the expenditure, purchasing assets, borrowing the funds. So these activities should be recorded in the books of account. So first thing is a transaction take place, and then those transactions were recorded in the books of original entry and in the journal. So we journalize those transactions in the form of journal entry. After completing the journal entry, we divide those transactions in the books of original entry. Books of original entries are cash book. In cash book, only cash transactions are recorded. Next, we have purchase book. In purchase book, all the transactions related to purchase are recorded. In sales book, all the sales transaction, purchase return book, all the purchase return transactions, and likewise. So basically we can say that books of original entry is the summary of all the transactions of same kind or same nature. So in that, with the help of these subsidiary books, we can find out the similar nature transactions at one place. After preparing the journal, we post all those transactions into ledger. Ledger is a summarization way of all the transactions. Here we prepare the accounts related to each and every transaction. After preparing the ledgers, balance of accounts will be transferred to trial balance. Now, trial balance is a systematic record of all the transactions which helps to find out the arithmetical accuracy of all the accounts. After preparing trial balance, with the help of trial balance, we prepare trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet. It is the financial statements of the company, means trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet are the financial statements of the company, which gives the financial information about the company to the users. And then with the help of these statements, users can determine the position of the company. So accounting process involves 5 actions. First thing is transactions, यानी पहले किसी न किसी transactions का होना ज़रूरी है. Then we record those transactions in the journal. It means journal entry बनेगी, that is also known as books of original entry, or that journal will be prepared on chronological order. It means date wise we will prepare without skipping the dates. Then we will prepare ledger, trial, and trading and profit and loss account. Tomorrow we will learn the uses of accounting information and their needs, and accounting as an science and as an art.